Welcome to AI Explainer, where I show you how to use ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with large datasets in ChatGPT. Managing business sure is hard, especially when you're working with large data entries. By utilizing ChatGPT, we can make things easier by making the software read and analyze the data for us. Let's say you have an online business and you have quite a lot of data entries with retail sales. Let's then ask ChatGPT to analyze and summarize the data for us. Let's try to ask an open question and see what ChatGPT will provide us. These data are over 10,000 entries across many different kinds of categories. As you can see, it gave us an overview, data types, and even the next steps to take. After that, I will then ask for it to summarize, to see what are the key metrics, what are the most popular stores for my business, and what are the most popular products and payment methods. And it will then give me an overview, such as what are my total sales, total transactions, unique customers, or even average discount applied. It even listed down what's the most popular stores and products for me. It also asked if we would like to take deeper dive into any specific topic, which you can also choose in one of the suggested prompt, or you can just reply directly, which is what I will do. I'm going to try to see if there is a correlation between the shopping cart value and the type of products that they scan customers wide. We can see here what are my top revenue generating product, insights on cart value, average sale per transaction, and recommendations. So maybe I try to make a strategy to bundle these things, or perhaps see if there is a difficult persona or difficult location where these kinds of buyers is more often located than the others. Now let's ask the software, which locations these customers of high-value shopping carts located mostly. This shows to me that most of my store locations are fairly equal. It could be quite a little different in your case. As I previously said, ChatGPT suggests ideas on which specific topic you want to have a deeper dive, which is quite helpful. So now let's try using this one. And it will then go deeper on that specific topic without you needing to come up with new ideas. Your data might be quite different, but you get the main idea. An additional feature I would like to show you is, let's say, what if you don't have such a great table and you've missed quite a few things, then ChatGPT can still come to the rescue. Here I have a file of unstructured customer support data based on customer reviews. So I'm just going to say, can you analyze this customer support data? And here it is much less structured. This is about customer support, and we have emails, social media, content, and etc. Here I can see how my customer are reacting to my business, such as what are the average phone they mostly have, or average call durations. Which issues need urgent process improvement? I think this is a relevant question, so I'm just going to go with that. Now, what this does is simply analyze everything in my datasets and provide me with business insights on how I can improve my business and where I need to focus on most. Similar to what it did with the structured file earlier. And look at this. Would you like recommendations on addressing these issues? Well, there we have it. It's almost as if it's taking care of things internally, and I'm just going to say, yes, please. However, of course, this is just an AI-generated support or ideas, and some may not be applicable to your business, so simply use ChatGPT as means to help you with your business ideas and take advantage of its powerful analyzing power to smoothen your workflow, but not fully rely on it. Let's take a quick recap. We have tackled how to work with large datasets in ChatGPT. We first asked it to analyze a file containing hundreds of data from a retail business and then summarize it for us. After that, we asked for it to analyze what are my key metrics, popular stores, and popular payment method. We then looked for different persona or location where specific kinds of buyers often hangs out. And lastly, we analyzed unstructured customer support data to help us gain better business insights and improve our business workflow. You can also dive deeper to a specific topic with the suggested ideas in ChatGPT, or you can reply directly to his follow-up question, which in itself is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel and to get more of these helpful videos on using AI.